Hi, once again, welcome to a shortcut guide. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to export and import videos and images in Holyrics. So let's go direct to the video. Now, the first thing which you do is going here to images, then you go and open up your Explorer, File Explorer, and you go to the image which you want to import. You copy it, you copy the image, then you come and paste it here. You can use the small options or Ctrl V, and then you paste the image, and then you can go down and then you look for it. For example, here this is the image which I've just pasted in. And another thing, if you want to import, you can just carry it or move it there like that and drop it in Holyrics. That's how you can import that image into Holyrics, and you can also display it. So when it comes to videos, you do the same thing. You come here to where your videos are, then you copy, you paste. It takes some time, then it will load. So let me try to show this video, and you see this one I just imported in. That's how your display will be when you're displaying it. You just have to click into it like twice. And so how to also use the imported images and themes in Holyrics. How we're going to use the imported videos and images in themes and Holyrics. So if you have not yet watched my video about how to make themes in Holyrics, it's still there. You just come here to create new, and you come to videos, drop and click it here, then you go to computer, then you look for the whatever image which you want. Let me go look for it here. What's the film videos? This is where it is. Let me just open this image which is like subscribe. That image, this is the image which I have just pasted in, and let me select it and save. Then when you display it, it will display like this. Simple, you have imported that image, that video there, Holyrics. And when it comes to video, you can come here and you create, or let me use the side, create new theme, and then I come to change. Then I go to image, drop and click it here, then I select the image, I say open, it has been displayed. Then I say save. You can use it as a theme, then display. Simple as that. You can use it as a theme. So if you want more videos, please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And another thing, if you want to learn more, learn how to use Holyrics, how to display themes and create them, there is also a video which I've already created, which is on my channel. You can just click on this link here, and don't forget to share, subscribe for more videos. See you in another video.